What up, fam? Welcome back to the vlog. Today I'm going to be showing you guys one of the easy ways that I make a seafood boil. If you are interested in seeing that, make sure you stay tuned. Before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell to be notified, leave us some comments down below, and give the video a big thumbs up. These are the ingredients that I'm going to be using today. I am missing lemon juice, lemon pepper, and brown sugar. I did add those, or I forgot to get those on camera. Here I already have my pot of boiling water, and it's already on, and it's actually filled up halfway. I'm just going to start adding my ingredients one by one because I'm going to, once I get everything added, I'm going to let it boil for a few minutes before we actually start to put our food into it. I've got a stick of butter, garlic, all of those seasonings you saw in the beginning. Make sure that you add these to your liking. I kind of just sprinkled until the ancestors told me to stop. Once I got all those seasonings in there, gave it a nice stir, I'm now going to let it boil for about 10 minutes to let the water get good and seasoned. Now that my water has been boiling and it's all good and seasoned, I'm going to add what cooks the longest, which is potatoes. You can also add your boiled eggs if you like boiled eggs here. You can also add your sausages here if you would like to. I'm going to let my potatoes boil for about 10 minutes, and as you can see, they were not fully submerged, so about halfway through I did flip them over. Now I'm going to add my corn because it doesn't take long to cook either. I let my corn boil for about 4 minutes, and now I'm getting ready to add in my seafood. My seafood is already washed. Now, as you can see, everything is not fully submerged. Some of my water did boil down. I usually have a little bit more than that, but this seafood boil did turn out amazing, and it was actually kind of spicy. This was the best broth by far that I feel like I've made. And as far as cooking the seafood, I did let it sit for about 10 minutes. Now, as you can see, it's not really boiling. I have it on about 5. So once I put all this seafood in there, I'm going to let it roll for about another minute or two, put the top on it, and I just let the seafood sit and soak. The water has been boiling, so it's actually hot enough to cook the seafood. And I don't like my seafood overdone, and seafood can, when you boil it, it can tend to be overdone. So I literally just let the hot water and the seasonings just soak all up in the seafood, and I let the water basically kind of steam the food. So it's a boil, but not a boil at the same time. This is only one way that I cook a seafood boil. If you're interested in seeing another way, let me know down below. This way was actually my favorite so far, so I decided to show you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure that you like and subscribe. Leave me some comments down below. And if you would like to see me eat this delicious food, make sure you head over to Fritz Family Entertainment, our foodie fam, and make sure you subscribe. And until next time.